We had very nice weather on Saturday, so we went to the river close by, and my son, being very passionate about insects, started catching stuff from the river. And to his luck, he got a very unique spider, as you can see in the video. This is a diving spider. He can come to the surface, but he generally would live under the water. And when he's diving, he has like a bubble of air that he uses to breathe. And this is when he's at the surface. It's called the diving bell spider. And it's the first time we ever catch such a unique spider. Let me know in the comments if you ever saw or knew about the existence of such spider species.